Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. It's product empties time where I give you 10 of the products that I've used up recently, go through them super quick, say what I repurchased, what I not, just a little bit about them, and give you some thoughts. Welcome, my name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, I always do a monthly giveaway, and every month I give away a palette, and for the month of July it is the Tetris Ipsy palette. I will put in the description box below the link that tells you how to enter for this palette. So like I said, I just do go really quick through my empties here, because I've got when I get about 10 of them, I jump on really quick and give you my thoughts. So first off, we have the Clinique Liquid Facial Soap Mild. I have been using this for years. I have repurchased another one. I do have a couple other brands and stuff that I'm starting to test out, but this has been my holy grail forever. It is really mild. It doesn't strip my skin or anything like that. I think it's roughly about $18 for a bottle that's 6.7 ounces, so not too bad. And I would definitely recommend getting this and repurchasing it. From Kirkland, I used up one of their facial towelettes, and how I use these, especially the Kirkland ones. So the Kirkland towelettes really dry out my face. They almost burn it. I just have a hard time with these. My skin is very sensitive to these. So I ended up buying a big box of them from Costco. So how I'm using them up is when I do an eyeshadow palette review and I got eyeshadows or makeup going all up and down my arm, I will wipe them off really quickly with this. And then the other way that I found using them that really works, so I do a deep clean on my brushes about once a week. And in between, when I'm done with my brush in the evening, I will go and I'll have one of these towelettes and I'll just swirl my brushes around all over the towelette, and it helps clean it for that day, and then until I do my big deep one at the end of the week. From Pixi, I've been really loving this H2O Skindrink. It really reminds me of the Clinique Moisture Surge. And how I use this guy is I'll clean my face and then I'll tone it and then I'll put this on. And when I do that, it really helps. I've noticed my serums and stuff really sink in, because it has, my face now has a little bit of moisture in it, and it just really helps the skincare products really sink in. My face is really dry. I'll use this if I don't have makeup on, and I have been really loving this. From Clinique is the Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips. And how I use this guy is I'll go in and I'll do a two-step process when I take my makeup off at the end of the day. My first one, I usually use a balm, wet my hands and my face just a little bit, get some of the balm, spread it all around. It really breaks up the makeup. And then I'll go in with, some sort of facial cleanser after that. But what I do notice is a lot of times, it doesn't get really right up close to the lash line. So I'll go and I'll dip a Q-tip in, put it in here, and just kind of run it along the lashes. And it really helps get anything that's really super close to the lash line up, so you can get a really clean face. From Urban Decay is their all-nighter. I repurchased this, love it. I do have a couple other setting sprays that I'm gonna try out first, and then I will purchase another one of these. This is probably my, who knows how many bottles of this it is. I really loved it. It's a really fine mist, and it helps my makeup last all day. Now the last half of these are all face masks, and most of these I have gone and I've done a full big review on, and I've tried them on for you guys on film, and I'll link that video in the description box down below. So I'm gonna go through these pretty quick. Here is the St. Ives Hydrating Cactus and Water Hibiscus. I really did like this. I felt my face really soft and kind of silky afterwards. Love this. You know, from Lapcos, you can get these at Costco. And these have so much serum. And you know, I'm a girl who loves a lot of serum in my face masks. This was it. It had so much. It felt like an entire bottle was in here. I really liked it, and I really liked how it made my skin feel. One that I felt did not have a lot of serum on it and that I really struggled with was the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask. Like I said, it didn't have, for me, for a girl who really likes a lot of serum, my face is more on the dry to combination side. This, it didn't stick, it just kind of lifted, and I just really struggled with this one, so I would not repurchase this one. By Masquerade is our Hydrating Facial Sheet Mask. Beauty Restore, Nourish, and Relax. It was good. It wasn't great. It wasn't bad. It was okay. I probably wouldn't repurchase it just because there's so many other face masks out there that I just felt do a ton better, at least for me and my skin type. The one out of this group that I liked the best was the Mamonde Flower Lab Essence Mask Rose. I felt it really hydrating. I really liked how my skin felt, even like the next day. And it had a ton of serum on it, so you know, I love that. I love doing face masks at the end of the day. It just helps me kind of relax and, you know, calm down from all the hectic craziness that goes on throughout a day. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It really means a lot to me when you subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.